If your shift linkage has a lot of slop in it, like when you that's too much slop on your Ford or Mazda, I'm gonna show you how to change this. Head to your local auto parts store and pick up part number 1457. Open it up and grab the yellow cap. Come to yours and just use a screwdriver or whatever. Pop this off. Pry tool will probably be better. Just pop that off. Alright? Then you take your yellow cap and you slide it on this. Alright? And once it's slid on, you put this back over. I need two hands for this because I can't see anything with the camera in my face. Be right back. Okay, so I ended up putting the yellow piece instead of putting it on here and then sliding this on. I put it in the shift arm, and now I'm going to slide the whole shift arm linkage onto the thing here. You just give it a little push. It's not going to clip in all the way, it's just going to sit there. And then you grab the original piece that came out and you push it right in the hole. And now it snaps in and it's locked. And now the shift linkage won't come off. I can't see the camera at all. Now your shift linkage will come off and there's no more slop. All the slop is gone and it's sealed. It's locked on nice and tight. Dorman 14057. Easy fix. Just use a screwdriver and a pick tool and a light. Didn't even jack up the vehicle.